sense ชัดใจ Good boy นี่พอทีนี้ก็พอ Good boy Good boy
How to keep the person you love by your side. The way to jump down gracefully like a professional dancer. Being petite sometimes is an advantage in certain circumstances.
Play Hold My Hand by Jess Glynn.
Please Hold My Hand by Jess Glynn on Amazon Music. Standing in a crowd.
Being petite sometimes is an advantage in certain circumstances. The dog takes control of itself. Is it comfortable for both? The dog takes control of itself. Is it comfortable for both?
Nur das passt doch nicht.
When Mom said we have Game of Thrones at home, but it's not as dramatic as I expected.
No
Ready?
Let's appear really busy when the boss is standing nearby.
Hurts my sister. Oh my god! See?
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
When introverts and extroverts meet, what happens? Yeah, it's the weekend. Where should we go now for fun? The never-ending battle between brothers at home. The ongoing tale of introverts and extroverts playing together. Is this the parade march stance?
Shakira, Shakira, ¿eres tú? Yeah.
Oh no, I want a different hairstyle. However, the owner of this adorable dog is now regretting their decision to take it for a walk right after the rain.
Roll over.
It seems like that dog has become a Zen master in its own right.
I'm gonna get Mom.
When you've just done your nails and want to show off to your best friend,
Oreo? Honey? Did you want some popcorn?
when you're finally free after a hard day's work,
Whoa.
today I learned how to activate my dog's dance mode.
We'd rather have some ladies right there.
Oh my god.
We are fired up.
Love the way that dog breaks the physical barrier to taste snow.
I don't want to go outside. Stop the snow, stop the snow, stop the snow.
The audacity of this person is thinking that her dog would lose in a staring contest.
Lou, stop it. Babe, stop it. Stop.
What am I going to do with you? Unreal.
¿Quién quiere patín? Eso, ven, 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 ven. Un shooting a papá. Eso, vamos, 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 arriba, 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 vamos, vamos, vamos. Dale, 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 arriba, ven.
If you've had a good laugh, please give us a like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. Funny animal videos, thank you for watching and see you in our next video.